Hello everyone, now let us discuss about the notification for drug inspector in Drug Control Administration Department. Applications for drug inspector are invited online and you can visit the website www.tspsc.gov.in for the post of drug inspector in the Drug Control Administration Department. The submission of online applications starts from the date 16/12/2022 and the last date and time for submission of online application is up to 5 p.m. of 5/1/2023. The payment of fee will be accepted up to 5 p.m. of the last date of submission. In Telangana state, for the drug inspector, 18 vacancies have been allotted. The age as on 1/7/2022, minimum and maximum is, minimum should be 18 and maximum should be 44 years. And the scale of pay is 51,320 to 1,27,310. Details of vacancies via, that is community wise, EWS sports category, multi-zone and gender wise may be seen in the annexure 1. Here you can see the various categories and the allotment. Intimation being received from the department concerned, addition of vacancies if any will be accepted only before the date of examination and an addendum to that effect will be issued. Deletion of vacancies if any can be effected up to the declaration of results. In total of 18 posts, these are the categorization for zone 1 and zone 2 and community wise and number of categories that come under sports category. Everything will be provided here. You can refer this table. The examination type is likely to be held. The examination, which is objective type, is likely to be held in the month of May or June, and the Commission reserves the right to conduct the examination either through computer-based recruitment test or offline OMR-based examination of the objective type. The exact date for the above examination will be announced later. All tickets can be downloaded from 7 days prior to the examination. Candidates are instructed to read the instructions at the annexure 4 of this notification and instructions printed on the hall ticket carefully. And before applying for the post, candidates shall register themselves on one-time registration through official website of TSPSC. And those who have registered in OTR, one-time registration already, shall apply by login to their profile using the TSPSC ID and date of birth as provided in OTR. In case if the candidate has forgotten the TSPSC ID, the candidate has to visit the TSPSC website and click on the link, know your TSPSC ID, and enter the Aadhaar number and date of birth and get the respective ID. If the candidate did not register Aadhaar number in the OTR, candidate has to enter either his or her registered mobile number or name and date of birth. One-time registration is not considered as application for any post under any circumstances. The applicants are attained to retain their mobile number and email ID registered in OTR to receive OTP SMS for further communications. The applicants who possess the prerequisite qualification may apply online. And the education qualifications that are required for the drug inspector post are degree in pharmacy, pharmaceutical science or PharmD, or medicine with specialization in clinical pharmacology or microbiology from a university established in India by law. Coming to distance education, if the applicants who have obtained request degrees through open universities or distance education mode are required to have recognition by the University Grants Commission (UGC) or AICT or Distance Education Bureau as the case may be. Unless such degrees have been recognized by the relevant statutory authority, they will not be accepted for the purpose of educational qualification. Coming to equivalent qualification. At the time of verification of certificates, if it is noticed that any applicant possesses other than prescribed qualification and claims it as equivalent to the prescribed qualifications, then an expert committee will be constituted, including the unit officer by the commission, and the commission will take a decision based on the report of the expert committee. Coming to the age, the candidate should possess a minimum of 18 years and the maximum of 44 years. The age is remarked as on 1/7/2022. Minimum age is 18 years. An applicant should not be born after 1/7/2004, and the maximum age is 44. An applicant should not be born before 1978, 2/7/1978. The upper age limit will be relaxed as per the rules and will be calculated on the above lines. Coming to age relaxations, Telangana state government employees have a age relaxation of up to 5 years based upon the length of regular service. Ex-servicemen, they have 3 years and the length of service rendered in the armed forces. NCC, who have worked as instructor in NCC, they have 3 years age relaxation and the length of service rendered in the NCC. Coming to SC, ST, BC and EWS, they have 5 years of age relaxation. Coming to the fee, the application processing fee is 200 rupees and the examination fee is 120 rupees. All unemployees are exempted from payment of examination fee, and all employees of any government, central, state, PSU, corporation or other government sector have to pay the prescribed examination fee. Mode of payment is through payment gateway duly following the online instructions once the application form details are submitted. The fee once remitted shall not be refunded or adjusted under any circumstances. Failure to pay the application processing fee and examination fee wherever applicable will be entailed total rejection of the application. Unless full payment of both examination fee and application fee is made, the candidature of the applicant will be rejected and no correspondence or concession in this regard will be entertained. Annex 2 will have the list of banks providing services for the purpose of online remittance of fee. Here you can see the list of banks for making online payment. There are 67 banks in total. You can refer the names here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for further updates on Drug Inspector training.